Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to replace a speaker driver on a JBL Xtreme speaker. And we sell this part, it's on our website, the link should be below in the description. We also do service this repair. This is a pretty straightforward repair, and if you would, it takes a couple minutes to do. So let's get started. First things first, let's go ahead to this seams here and pry back on them. I usually start by prying back on the side away from the logo, as this side is the one that doesn't have the screw. Now we have exposed the two Phillips head screws, and let's free them up. Now these screws are freed up, let's go ahead and push out on the grill here, like so, exposing the drivers. Go ahead and pull the rest of it out. Here's our drivers, and we will be pulling out one of these. Let's go ahead and free up 4 of these Phillips head screws. Now that's freed up, let's go ahead and use like a flathead and pry up on the driver. Now it should be easily freed out of the unit. It is connected by 2 connectors, positive and negative. Go ahead and wiggle it out. If it's not going to be coming out that way, you can go ahead and just pinch through it with the little pin here with a flathead. These are pretty simple, no soldering needed. This one here, usually you can just wiggle it out. There's our driver. Now let's go ahead and install this driver back into place. This is how you would receive it. To do it the same way that we pulled it out. Connect the larger connector onto the larger tab here. It's pretty simple. Very unlikely you'll mess up. The smaller one doesn't fit on the larger one. Now, if you see this connector here is loose or slides out fairly easily, grab some pliers or something to crimp down on the connector here so that it doesn't come out while you're playing music. Let's go ahead and slide it into place. Screw these 4 screws back into place. Now your new driver is secured into place. Let's get this fabric grill cover back on. I usually start by aligning this cutout here with the buttons. There we go. Now if you can see here, we got 2 pins that slide into the grill cover. Line it in and snap it shut. Now let's get our 2 Phillips screws back into the cover tab here. There we go. Let's go ahead and snap it shut. And that's it. You have replaced your speaker driver. Once again, this part is on our website. We do service this repair as well as we do have available parts, pretty much all the parts for this unit. So reach out to us if you're looking for a part. Thank you for watching.